for the prone shoulder extension, all you need is a mat and your body weight to get started. We're going to be lying face down. The aim of the game is to keep a nice neutral spine, so a straight line from shoulder to hip. We're going to maintain an abdominal hollow by flexing the abs and keeping our chin tucked face down onto the mat. From here, I'm bringing my fists directly underneath my shoulders. I'm going to bring my shoulders in tight to the sides, making sure they don't pop out. And then I'm going to squeeze and retract the shoulder blades. So abdominal hollow, I'm going to pull my fists off the floor by squeezing the back. I squeeze the elbows in and I extend straight back. I come back the same way I went out, keeping the elbows tucked in tight and bringing the fists right back underneath the shoulder. That's one rep. So again, squeeze the elbows in tight together, flex the abdominals, lift the fists up and extend back. If that's really easy, we can bring a yoga block under the fist, encourage even more shoulder extension, or add a couple of light weights to add a bit of resistance. Good, Evan. Squeeze the elbows in, pull the elbows up and back. That's it, that's it. Nice, just one more.